honestly one of the best experiences of my life. My God, the rush afterwards. It was amazing. It was incredible, absolutely incredible. Yeah, it was exhilarating. The view here is gorgeous, and the flying is just phenomenal. It was incredible. It was probably one of the best things I've ever done. An experience. It was amazing. Most amazing experience. I was so nervous about going up there, and actually when we got up there it was incredible. Like, I've never experienced anything like it.